Our satisfaction with, as a customer of Plural's on a scale of 1 to 10 has been a 10. Getting an industrial 3D printer was going to allow us the much larger print bed. Not a lot of printers can print this part, and we were looking to print it on a bigger bed so we could run overnight and over the weekends. This one part has saved us $36,000 versus buying the parts. It nearly paid for the machine on this one part, yet printing this one part only uses about 20% of the machine's available time. So we now have 80% of its capacity left over to use for other things. The criteria we used to select the right printer, flexibility was a big piece, so looking at machines that had open materials, the quality, the print quality of the materials, and the print quality of the final part, as well as cost. In working with Plural, they were very open to doing some test prints for us. They came out to our facility and provided some more training for us, and really they work a lot like our company at A-Dec. We build relationships with people that we do business with, and Plural is very much a relationship company. And they've done really a lot for us. They went above and beyond when we were asking for multiple prints to be made just to get our confidence in this machine. Helped us feel very comfortable in a purchase of a machine that we hadn't heard before. The three words that come to mind when I think of Plural are relational, capable, and quality.